Hi guys, so welcome to our channel Sanjeev070. So in this video we are going to basically tell you about how to make your career transition to a data science in just simple 5 steps. So basically by following all these 5 steps you can easily make a career transition to a data science. So step 1, you need to build up a good LinkedIn profile, likely to impress your hiring managers, and this makes a really beautiful impact on the hiring capabilities managers, because seeing your LinkedIn profile is not such a other social media platform, because LinkedIn is some social media where you maintain your professional records, your completely your professional life would be displayed in there. So we can easily you can easily get selected when you have updated LinkedIn profile, and this could also serve as a base layer for your admission over any domain. So coming, this is the step 1. So let's roll on to step 2. Step 2 is something which many of you would definitely agree with me. Like if I would suggest you to go and do some courses on Coursera, everyone would be ready to do some course on Coursera, whether it's a Coursera. Likewise, I can easily, if I search for data science courses, so you can see number of universities offering different courses at different level. Like see this data science Johns Hopkins University and University of Michigan. Likewise, every universities have different courses, and not only Coursera. If I go to EDX, again you have some kind of specialization in this EDX, followed by, like if I go to Udemy, so most probably most of the users would be definitely learning from it. So these courses, these are the MOOs that provide you online courses from where you can easily get a certificate or just learn a course theoretically. Mostly they won't do anything related to practical, but I am here talking about some kind of project, like good project, like machine learning project or deep learning project or ANN CNN, or some basic kind of data science project that can help you to get job in the field of data science. Like this would be basically a core idea where you can understand the concept that you understand, and the concept data science. So it clearly mentioned that a good project speaks than 10 courses. Yeah, it's very true. If you have done good a single project, then it's more than enough. Then you have done 10 certificates and 10 courses of from 10 different MMOs. So third point is especially for BE Beta graduates, and that is called the final year projects, and this very speaks for freshers. Being a fresher, we everyone across the same situation in the industry. When we apply for a certain job, they especially take us about to our college life and ask each and everything, and they especially talk about final year project. So if you want to make your career transition towards data science, and if you want to make enough good efforts for the career transition in data science, so if you already have some plans in mind, you can easily switch up and you showcase your talent in the by making the final year project in data science domain. So this is some kind of impressive for the recruiters also, that the candidate is already planning for data science situations, and he can step 4, I can add even a step here, that is making contributions to the open source community. So this would be a little weird, that how you can ask me how this could serve a better option for a fresher, right? But let's explore this aspect also. Let me do it. Yeah. So like you can ask me how to contribute. Like you can go to some kind of machine learning libraries that are open source, like PyCaret and all. You can easily customize it, and you can easily just go and contribute over some kind of NLP projects also you can do, and you can easily get internships or some kind of regular stuffs using this project itself. So this is a kind of a transition, like you can show your showcase to the community, like you have been especially we can call it as data science community, where people would definitely be loving us, and definitely they'll be working helping us to uh, get us the job. So step 5 is you need both for freshers and for skilled persons, like and the experienced person, this point would be definitely applicable. It is like if someone is working in a marketing domain and he want to make transition to a data science, so what happens is many people would disagree with my point that he can easily transition towards a data science, but little novel knowledge, you can easily apply the marketing strategies. Like you can easily take up a product, target it to some people using machine learning algorithms, and you can easily record them. You can target the sales by editor visualization tools. So this kind of steps, this marketing is being applied to data science domain. Likewise finance, likewise you can apply your various other domains like stock market prediction, etc. in is this data science domain. Whatever domain you may be, you can easily switch to data science domain, but just you need to know about little uh, data science knowledge, like, and machine learning algorithm. And most importantly, you could also be helped, and you can also be asked a question regarding statistics, because data science is being already involved in a bit of lot of maths. I am not talking about tedious math that you have learned in higher school, but I am talking about some kind of features that are basically being done in that is like statistical modeling, basic statistics, mathematics, and little bit about a calculus is enough knowledge for data science domain. We have already shared some video in our channel. For this, you can follow a data science playlist, so that one by one you can easily have a clear cut idea how to transfer to our data science domain. Now let me take to my LinkedIn profile, where you can easily find me, and again the given link will be given in the description below. So yeah, I talked about LinkedIn, right? So this is a social media platform where you have shared your professional academics. So here you can see many of the jobs would be automatically coming in your newsfeed, like this PHP developer, Python developer is being already coming in my newsfeed. And again, I can easily search for job, like if I search for data scientist jobs, and I could easily get it just by searching like this. And you can easily apply with your LinkedIn profile also. You need not upload your resume and here, but for that you need to update your LinkedIn profile very much soon, and more frequently, because companies offer a more updated profile job than the more older one. Like you can see Pune, in 4 weeks they have posted a job, Pune 2 weeks. So these are the kind of Chennai, they have computer vision scientist. So likewise, if I need internships, I can just search over here, I need data science internships, right? So this would be a better opportunity. Like if I have done some Cloud Lakhs data scientist job, so here I need to apply. I'll automatically redirect me to some kind of website there particular. From there they are applied the post. So here you can see complete description. So this is about how to search a job in LinkedIn. Now let's go on to my timeline, and I will just say to you how to develop a professional LinkedIn profile. So you need to have a professional pic like this, or something a different would be definitely encouraged. And coming back to the academics would be definitely performed, and you need to increase your connection, so that you could reach up to the maximum recruiters, and you could say clearly which role you are being basically adopted to work. And you could, as I have not mentioned anything about me, but you need to but you need to clearly mention about the experiences, about the IT industry, about your experience as a student, everything in this about section. And although you can feature some of the articles like I have did in my projects, then I have shared my experiences here, education here, and you can followed by share some kind of MO courses or some kind of courses that you have already issued, but you need to provide the credentials, so that the verification would be automatically done with the help of the efforts that you have already input and already. Okay, so skills and endorsement are necessary aspect where you can showcase your skills that are basically helpful to you, and that are basically recommended by other people to you, or you know the best by others one, right? So we can easily specific any 3 skills, as you already know. You can also take the skill quiz to get a verified skill on the LinkedIn itself. And the most important part is getting recommendation. So this recommendation part is very much important, because I have get recommended from some of my mentors. So likewise, you need to also get some recommendations from your friends, like from your college colleagues, or your projects involved, internships where you have done, and some kind of people from where you know personally who are in a higher position in the industry. And you can easily mention some of the accomplished, like I have won Smart India Hackathon Grand Finale, so I participated, so 2 times I have participated, so I have mentioned here. And the language that you know, and the some kind of projects and the publications you have done, some open source community. So that ultimately the people would definitely encourage contributing to the open source community, because we all are developers, and we definitely love to contribute to open source community. So this would be a very much fair decision for the people who to agree that people contributing to open source community is always welcome, and they are been most proficient in their domain as compared to others. So this is one aspect of our recruitment idea. So now let's go on to other aspect. So as I already mentioned that you need to have a little domain knowledge. What this means? So domain knowledge means what your domain you're currently working. It's definitely you have been working for years, like for a 2, for a 3. Definitely, dude, you have enough experience that you could easily guide a fresher in the same domain. But since you are making some transition to data science, what happens is you need some relevant skills. Like you need to learn from machine learning algorithms, and you need to learn some deep learning algorithms, for which you can follow our playlist also. And although we have put on a very little video, but since you can get a rough idea from what we have what the algorithm is, and definitely future playlists would be updated, from where you can learn a lot of the things about data science in our channel. So that's the point. And sixth point is something which is been required for both freshers as well as experiences, like working on your resume. So definitely wonderful resume and the good skill mentioned, like positives and negatives and likewise, and also about the dealer projects like data science contribution to open source community, etc., would be definitely recommended, and would be definitely endorsement, and the basic endorsement that you got from your mentors would be also been highlighted over the years. So I hope you got some idea how to make your transition from your existing domain to a data science domain. So that's all for this video. Hope you like this video. Do like and subscribe the channel if you like the content that I put, and suggest me some more topics to be put in our channel. And yeah, tell me your reviews in about this video in our future in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Thanks. Let's meet on another video. Bye.